What's up YouTube? For this video, I wanted to quickly talk about this jacket right here. Apparently this jacket has been really popular lately. It's taken the YouTube fashion community by storm, and a lot of influencers have been talking about this jacket. So this jacket is from Uniqlo and it's called the Utility Blouson Short Jacket. So this jacket does look good on other people anyway, but it got me really curious as to what the hype was all about, so I just had to cop the jacket for myself to find out. So this video will be a short but honest review of this jacket. So first, here's an overview of the jacket. I got on the brown colorway, and when I got this in person and now that I'm wearing it on body, there's a lot of cool unique features on this jacket. There's a variety of different textures and patterns. First off, you can see that there is this collar made of this corduroy material, and there's also a corduroy lining on the inside of the wrist cuff right here and right here. In terms of the closing mechanism, you have a zipper right here, and then you also have a couple of buttons that closes the flap to cover the zipper. And then with this being a utility jacket, it has a multitude of pockets. You do have a chest pocket on the left side right here, probably for like a wallet. You have these two front pockets right here with the flap button closure. You have two side pockets right here just to keep your hands warm or keys or something. And then inside the jacket is another chest pocket on the left side as well, right here. The inner lining of this jacket has a old style plaid pattern. Honestly, when I look at it, this pattern and color reminds me of a very much like a old man slash dad vibe, but I'm all for it. I actually like it a lot. Personally, I think it adds a nice mature look to the jacket. So in terms of sizing and fit, it's definitely a boxy slash relaxed fit. The shoulders are just a little subtly dropped, and the sleeves are definitely a little roomy as well. Something noteworthy is the wrist cuff. There is only one button on the wrist right here. So unfortunately, if you have skinny wrists like me, or if you want to be able to modify the wrist cuff to be tighter, it's not really going to allow for that. There's only one button, so you will have a lot of room in the arms and into the wrist and opening here. So that personally is a little bit of a downside to me. The way I like to combat that though is without modifying it. You just roll up the sleeve like this to show the corduroy part, and then you can actually close the button right here to make it just a little tighter while at the same time still showing off that corduroy inner lining. So like that. So in terms of this jacket, it is a bit on the cropped side when it comes to the waist. For me with this jacket, the waistband sits right at my belt line. So it does feel a little bit risen or high. And interestingly though, I think they kind of fell a little short here too, but it would have been nice if they did have a cinching mechanism to make the waistband a little more snug or tight. But there's nothing like that on this jacket, so it is going to be a little bit, again, wide and poofy. So this is a reference. The waist, again, sits right over my belt line here. And then as it comes to the back side, it sits right at the belt line as well in the back. So what that means is the shirt you wear underneath will really matter. So in terms of sizing and fit, I actually went with a size small, which is a little bit of a size down for me. I'm kind of a small medium. More times I feel like I wear medium, but sometimes I wear small. For reference, I am 5'8" and 150 pounds. And again, this is a size small on my body, which I am very happy with. I feel like if I went with my more true medium size, it would be too big to the point where the sleeves would just go way past my hands and the boxiness will just like swallow my body basically. So I'm happy I went with the size down. If you do intend to wear this jacket more for layering though, I feel like going true to size should work out. Alright, so the main question is, for a retail price of $69.90, is this jacket worth it? Personally, I think yeah. I think $69.90 is a very fair price for a piece of outerwear like this. It is a very nice and stylish jacket. Now I will say though, this is my opinion, but this jacket is a little more along the lines of a trendy piece rather than an essentials slash everyday piece. To me, I consider it more of a statement slash trendy piece that will kind of come and go throughout my wardrobe anyway this year. But again, for the price of $70, I think it's a very nice piece. It's the earth tones are great, the quality feels really good, and I like the style of it. So yeah, if you're looking to shop for this jacket, I'll leave a link in the description below. I would like to know your thoughts. What do you think of this jacket? Is this piece really worth the hype, or is it overhyped? Sound off in the comments below. And if you made this far in the video, please do me a huge favor, hit that like button, it'll help me out a lot. And consider subscribing for more content on style, sneakers, and science. While you're at it, check out my other videos here or here. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.